First, go to the level folder in the project. Inside the folder, you will find another folder called collection. This folder contains the level collection and their images. Once created, select the new level collection asset. With the level collection selected, go to the top menu. In the tools, click on the create levels from collection. A pop-up will appear asking you to select the image folder. Choose the folder that contains your puzzle images and click OK. The system will now automatically generate levels from the images. For example, if your folder contains 25 images, the tool will automatically create 25 levels. The difficulty of the level is also assigned automatically. Select the level manager object in the hierarchy. In the inspector, assign your level collection to the level collection list. Now press play to test the game. The generated level will load automatically and you can start playing them.
Now I will show you how to set up AdMob ads in this template. First open the scene and locate the object that contains Ad Manager script.
Now we need to import the Google AdMob plugin. Open the Unity Package Manager. Using UPM import the Google Mobile Ads package into the project. Once the installation is complete, the AdMob SDK will be available in the project. Next, open the script of Ad Manager. Inside the script, find the flag called Is AdMob Plugin Setup. Simply uncomment or enable this flag to activate the AdMob integration. Now save the script and run the game. If everything is configured correctly, you will start seeing the ads in the game. This template supports banner ads, interstitial ads, and reward ads. And that's it. You have successfully set up AdMob ads in this template.